What is going on, guys? My name is Ty, and back with another cashback app, and this is a newer one. I've been using it for I think 2 months now. It's called Fluz. Fluz is a cashback app that works very, very differently than anything else. So far, I have $3.63 in my account. You can't withdraw until I get to $26 minimum one time withdrawal. So this is how Fluz works. Okay, this is how Fluz works. The first thing you gotta do, you have to pick a restaurant or a store. So let's go to all stores. It says see all. Now my favorite is Amazon. I know Amazon is very hard to get cash back from. So it's not listing all the stores here. What's going on? So let's try Amazon. Amazon's right here. Okay, so this is how it works. You go to Amazon, you put everything in your cart, what you want. When you go to checkout, see, Fluz is like a gift card. See, what you do with Fluz is you put the total amount that is in your cart. So let's say you spend $45 and 85. No, let's try $45.85. So you earn 46 cents back. So when you hit continue, you select the debit card that you attach to this app, okay? And they will give you a code. They'll give it a minute. They'll give you a gift code to put into Amazon, okay? So it's like a gift card, but it's not. So when you go to Amazon, you put gift code, you put the code in Fluz gives you, and then what Amazon will do is say you owe $0, but you really owe $45.85 come out your account. So now you're getting cash back from Amazon through Fluz. Okay, so I use this for my online transactions mainly because it's very easy to use. Now, for online, is the best way to use this app is online. Anything you buy online is very easy to do. Now, we get into a store like Walmart. They use this at Walmart as well. Let's see this all. So Burger King, Buffalo Wild Wings, Hulu. You use this a lot of places, but one place I do use this on, as you see here, Walmart. Okay, so here's how you do it. You add a debit card. Your payment details are fully encrypted. Before you pay the retailer, you enter a final amount into Fluz. Fluz will charge your card and give you a gift code. You scan the gift code or paste it online to complete your transaction, and you're done. So pretty much, you would if you're online, you would say Amazon. You see a total bill. You put the total amount into Fluz with your tight debit card. Fluz will give you a gift card code, which you put into Amazon, which it works, and now that money is still taken to your account like a gift card. Okay, so this is really good for Amazon. It's really good for online products as well. Sorry about that. It's good for online products as well. So you buy a lot of stuff online. It's very good for online products as well. Okay. Now, what if you're in store like Walmart? Now, Walmart is a little bit difficult. Now, with Walmart, you have to rent your stuff up. Now go to the self-checkout. You rent your stuff up like you normally do. Your total comes at the bottom, your total amount. What I do, I go into Fluz, I type in $10.35, whatever, and then you have to scan it. They give you a barcode to scan. Okay, they give you a barcode to scan. Okay? So you use the little handheld thing or use the little scanner to scan your phone. Now, sometimes you will not hear the scan go off. You won't hear that, okay? You will not hear it. But once you do it a couple times, it works, okay? It will work. So that's how you pretty much use it. So the best ways to use it is online, of course. Buy your food online. Use Amazon, use Walmart online. The second way is use a self-checkout kiosk And sometimes I'll go to Walmart, I can't really scan it, but when I go to my car, it looks like it's scanned. So okay, it went through. So use the self checkout as much as you can. And number 3 tip would be to have your phone already out. Have your phone out. Have your phone out ready to punch in the numbers you owe. Let the cashier scan your barcode that Fluz receipt gives you, and pay for it that way. It's a very easy. It's an extra step. I prefer cashback apps that attach the debit card and give you cash back automatically rather than doing extra steps. But it's very, very good for Amazon. Very, very good for online retailers. And if you also use Rakuten for Amazon, you can also use Rakuten and Fluz at the same time for Amazon products. So that's pretty good too, if you look at it that way. So that's the end of my video. I have my link below the video if you want to download Fluz. I like the app. It's okay. Don't really use it too much outside of Amazon and Walmart or places with a self checkout kiosk. But it's okay to download just to have it. So that's the end of my video. My name is Ty from LetsKing.com. Thanks for watching.